the majority of people never reach their objectives. According to University of Scranton data, 92% of New Year's resolutions are broken. This trend goes beyond our New Year's resolutions. When we're eager to get started on a task, we often assume that doing quickly is preferable to acting slowly. Despite our best efforts, our lack of planning has a tendency to limit our success. Taking the time to prepare an action plan, on the other hand, rarely stymies progress. Creating and following a plan of action will strengthen your determination and provide the impetus you need to see things through once you've learned how to plan properly. This video will show you how to build a plan in 5 easy steps. Write your goals with the framework below. Defining and recording the ultimate goal is the first step in creating an effective action plan. According to Dominican University research, persons who write down their goals achieve much more than those who do not. Putting your goals in paper will not only increase your chances of success, but it will also compel you to think about the process rather than just the intended product. This is particularly useful when attempting to identify goals that are hazy, aspirational, or unformed. We recommend adopting the SMART Goals framework as the first step in creating an action plan. To qualify, a SMART goal must be specific, measurable, achievable but ambitious, relevant and realistic, time-bound or timely. Using this framework will enable you to remove ambiguity around a goal and craft an action plan that spells out exactly what you need to do. Number 2. Break the goal down into smaller chunks. Big goals can be scary, and people sometimes give up before putting out their best effort. They become stuck when it comes time to define how they plan to accomplish the desired outcome because they focus too much on the desired outcome. Breaking a goal down into specific milestones, on the other hand, allows the goal setter to focus less on the finish line and more on each mini goal as a crucial step toward achieving their objective. You're more likely to stay motivated and dedicated throughout the process if you have a roadmap that outlines what needs to be done. Number 3. Identify the resources needed. A wish list is any action plan that does not account for resources. Identifying the resources required to properly carry out your plan, whether you're working on a solo project or as part of a team, will allow you to make informed decisions about its implementation. Here are some resources you might want to include in your action plan. People or information sources. A marketing manager who wants to increase organic traffic will require individuals to help him carry out his plan. Someone will need to set up a website for an entrepreneur. Time or financial resources. You'll almost certainly put in both time and money to see your goal through. Even if your financial cost is low, include estimates for both in your action plan. Number 4. Prioritize and assign all related tasks. Different styles of planning might help you achieve different goals. If you're starting a new project, you might want to start by determining where you are now in respect to where you want to be. If you're trying to solve an existing problem, brainstorming might help you examine the situation and consider viable solutions. In either scenario, prioritizing each activity makes your action plan more actionable. Prioritization will be based only on effort and impact if you're flying solo. To measure progress and instill accountability into a shared project, you'll need to prioritize and assign tasks. And last but not least, review, reflect, and refine as you go. Making an action plan is necessary, but staying flexible is essential for long-term success. An effective action plan isn't static, it's fluid, and it will alter as your business and circumstances change. According to the World Economic Forum's Global Risks Report, rapid changes in the workplace are a result of technological and societal change. Even seemingly ironclad plans will undoubtedly be affected by these changes at some point. Regularly reviewing your plan of action is the greatest method to guarantee that it is still sound. An ongoing review allows you to not only track progress against each task or mini goal, but also to make necessary changes to meet your team's or organization's changing needs.